case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1917, the Supreme Court was called to make a momentous decision in a case involving the breach of a patented machine used in motion picture shows, a case that would impact the law surrounding patent rights and commercial usage. This case revolved around 3 corporations and a patent, United States Letters Patent number in 707,934 to be precise, that was allegedly infringed upon. At the heart of the dispute was a machine, developed under the cover of the patent, which was licensed out by the plaintiff company to the Precision Machine Company. Yet, controversy unfolded when the Precision Machine Company sold this very machinery to the 72nd Street Amusement Company under what was termed a license agreement. The machine, complete with a warning plate, then landed in the hands of the defendant, Prague Amusement Company, as part of a leased playhouse deal. This led the plaintiff company to sue the corporations for joint patent infringement. Remarkably, the Supreme Court found the license agreement, replete with usage restrictions attached to the sold machinery, to be invalid. The Supreme Court firmly stated that such a practice, in effect, extended the patent's monopoly beyond its term and imposed an undue burden on the public by demanding excessive payment for the invention. This ruling overruled the previous decision in Henry v. Dick Company, a significant precedent in patent law. The decree of the Circuit Court of Appeals was thus affirmed, a decision that Justice McReynolds attested to, expressing his agreement with the outcome.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.